Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, and we have installed the dual 40-inch behind the grille kit. We have one 40-inch white light bar and one 40-inch amber. I want to show you guys exactly how much light you get with this product. These are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And this is an addition of a 40-inch light bar. I'm going to cycle it on and off so you can see how much light you get compared to the high beams of the vehicle. And let's go back to low beams. Makes a huge difference. So the next thing I want to show you guys is the amber light bar. So I'm going to cycle through the low beams and now the high beams. And I'm going to turn on the amber light bar. Take a look, everything just illuminates. So amber is really good for bad weather condition because it doesn't reflect back at your eyes. Such as rain, snow, fog, or dust. So I'm going to turn it on and off to show you what it does. And now these are the factory low beams, factory high beams. This is the white light bar and an amber light bar. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are going to love this product.